Stop wasting time with a frozen screen. Here is how to fix YouTube TV freezing in 4 simple steps. Screen freezing is usually down to connection lag or app data congestion. Let's get your stream back to 4K quality. Step 1. Check your internet speed. YouTube TV requires at least 7 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Run a speed test in your device settings. If you're below the threshold, try moving your router or using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Perform a hard power cycle. This clears the temporary memory on your streaming device. Unplug your TV or streaming stick for a full 30 seconds. Plug it back in and restart the YouTube TV app immediately. Step 3. Ensure your software is current. Outdated apps are a primary cause of freezing and crashes. Go to your device's app store, find YouTube TV, and install any pending updates. Check your system OS for updates too. Step 4. Clear the app cache. This removes corrupted data without deleting your DVR recordings. If the option isn't available, uninstall the app, restart your device, and reinstall a fresh copy from the store. If issues persist, contact official support at 8333892054 or visit support.google.com/YouTubeTV for account-specific help. Remember, these troubleshooting steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Avoid unofficial recovery services. To recap, check your speed, power cycle your gear, update your software, and clear that cache. You'll be back to streaming in no time. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials that respect your time. I'll see you in the next one.